Ooh boy, that sure turned out nicely. Well, everybody, welcome to my kitchen. So this is a fresh baked loaf of avocado bread. And I'm just gonna give a little review of it. Yeah, I found this unusual recipe online. It's similar to like a banana bread or a zucchini bread recipe. I thought I'd just try it out. Well, you can tell the inside of it's got a distinct color. Can't wait to try it out. Well, I could have waited a little longer for it to cool down completely. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Wow, what a distinct looking color. Well, let's try a piece of it, shall we? Okay, let's give this a try, hey? Let's see what it's like. Yeah, I could have waited a little longer to let it cool down. Well, It's not bad. You know what I like about this? This doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, and it just tastes fine. I added a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg to the recipe, and which gives it a more distinct flavor. And that's not bad at all. And it's made from, and I use mashed avocados. Yeah, that tastes pretty good. Well, this is one recipe I will go for again. I've been baking so much stuff lately. I baked like 3 pies, 1 blueberry, a cherry, and a shoe-fly pie. And I baked dozens upon dozens of cookies, and I baked the chocolate zucchini cake and 2 zucchini loaves. My sister presented me with a gargantuan zucchini, so I thought I'd use that zucchini to make baked goods out of. And it's all right.